Ikaw ba ay naghahanap ng house and lot located dito sa Mabalacat City, Pampanga na malapit sa Clark City Airport? So ang Apitong model unit, it is a 2-story single attached na meron pong 2 bedrooms at 1 toilet and bathroom. As you can see, meron din po siyang carport. May lanai area kung saan may direct access sa ating formal dining area patungo dito sa ating carport. Meron na rin pong 2 meter setback space ito po sa perimeter ng Apitong model unit. Open concept ang space, kaya kitang-kita niyo na po ang formal living area at ang formal dining area. Ito po ang ating toilet and bathroom. PVC flush door, wall mount lavatory at water closet po na may shower pong turnover. Let's go upstairs and check the 2 available rooms. Sa pag-akyat po natin, makikita po natin yung mga available 3 bedrooms. But before we enter, let's check yung ating first or the second toilet and bathroom. So, ayan po ating second toilet and bathroom. And now, let's check the 3 rooms. So, this one is a regular room. So, ito po yung ating first bedroom. Same dimension po siya ng bedroom number 2 na meron pong kasya na single size bed. And now, let's check the master's bed. Ito po yung ating master's bed. Ginamit po nila dito ang double size bed. Ang pinaka-turnover po nito, since this is just a dress-up model, kaya ang pinaka-actual turnover is white finish po yung paint po natin. Meron tayong access sa balcony.
Perfect kumuha sa Talanay Homes if you are looking for a house and lot in Mabalacat City, Pampanga na malapit sa NLEX at Rio Clark International Airport na ang price is ranging 2.7 million to 4 million. Available ito sa bank and Pag-ibig Financing. If you want to know the computation, please don't hesitate to message our FB page, mobile number, WhatsApp, and Viber na naka-indicate sa ating description box.